discussions of the day.
Are you in the right health condition to proceed with this meeting? Because
Chair,
you know how infectious flus can be.
I am, but you'll bear with me because I'm ready to proceed with the meeting as it was scheduled.
Yeah, I think someone should get the governor a mask because we also do not want to spend our Christmas in hospital on account of infections from Kisi.
Though it may not pass through the mic, it's only that you've...
Okay, proceed.
Thank you, Chairman. Chair, first and foremost, I want to thank you for allowing me, or the committee to allow me to sit today. First, to check on a few issues, the sermons that you're talking about. Yes, I know there are sermons, and these sermons, from the onset, I want just to point out, Chair, that I received the first invite, which I did apply, and I spoke to the chairman, yourself, that I was out of the country at that moment. I would have not met it. Therefore, I was allowed. Chair, again, the second invite, I think I wasn't responsible, therefore I could not make it to the Senate.
Sorry, what did you say about the second invite? Because I think the first invite you indicated you were in China.
Yes.
With the presidential delegation.
Yes, Chairman.
Yeah, the second one?
The second one, Chairman, I think by the time when I arrived, my team had not pulled all the paperwork together. Therefore, I was again engaged in, Chair, I want to report to you that I'm a deputy party leader of my party, the largest party again in this country and the Eastern Central Africa.